So this is a quick review for the Pelonis, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, Pelonis fan. It's fixed at that height. It is height adjustable, so you can just move it up and down like that. The world famous Pringles test, how big is it? There you go, that's how big it is compared to a cheaper Pringles. But it is fixed on that pole. You do have an option to make it a desk fan by removing that pole, or you can have it like that, but it's going to be a fan that's going to be a pedestal fan like that for me. I put it next to our current fan, or the fan that we bought last year when we had some hot weather. That one was about £17–18. This one is about £69 currently. They both do exactly the same job. Exactly the same job. This one does look classier. It has a smaller head, but it does give out the same amount of wind or cooling, I guess. And this has a much cheaper look about it. It's quite flimsy, but it's height adjustable using that thing there. But when you put them both on the same speed, let's put this one on 3. Just to give you the noise. That's on its highest level. It does give out a decent breeze, I've got to be honest. Very, very good compared to the size head of the standard pedestal fan. Just going to move over and turn it off. And this one on level 3. Just to give you an idea of the motor noise, but they both give out a similar breeze on top level. So this one is a bit noisier. As I said, this one costs us like 16–17 quid. This one's up for £69 currently with a £5 voucher. Both do the same job. This one's infinitely classier, much sturdier, decent bass on it, nice bit of heft to it, very weighty. This one a lot more flimsy, but ultimately what you need a fan for is to get a little bit of breeze going, and on their top levels they both give out a similar kind of breeze. This one, this lovely Pelonis thing, is a lot quieter, if I'm honest, on level 1, 2 and 3. A bit more subtle, doesn't take up so much space as you can see. So it does have a kind of premium effect, but this one is about 50 quid cheaper. You'll decide.
Hi everybody, I've got this here to review of this fan from Amazon, Tall Boy fan, easy to set up from open box. It's got the perfect thing about this one is a remote control. So you got the power button, speed settings, there's 3 speed settings on this one, and a timer, 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hours. Very powerful fan. The actual fan part itself is quite large, so it really kicks out a lot of wind type of thing, a lot of air blow right through. It's going to be fantastic during the summer. Last summer it got really hot in the southwest. This fan will do it. It will help out so much. And knowing that you can select a timer on it, you know that you can keep an eye on how much electricity you're using. And with it being remote control, if you can't really get up easy enough, you just grab the remote, turn it off, turn it on whenever you need it, you see? Absolutely fantastic. So you got the fan 1, fan 2, fan 3, very powerful, really, really gusty. And the other side is the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. Speed timer and on and off buttons. But yeah, it was quite easy to, out of the box, deliver quite fast by Amazon as normal. Do I recommend this fan? Absolutely, I do recommend it, and it's value for money as well. So there you go guys, one of the latest fans that Amazon's got, and it's very sturdy and easy to use. Enjoy. Thank you. Thanks for viewing my video.
his three-throw shooting go there, and he's getting another chance here. Stepped in too early, Felicio. Still can't get it to go in.